Hello guys, this is your boy Nick Asa. I miss you so much, and I know you've also missed me. It's been a while. I posted a video, but today I happen to be in a children's home around Gumwa side, and my church is actually celebrating a 15th year anniversary, so we happen to be here. So I decided to take this opportunity to share with you some few tips when it comes to sachet water production. Okay, so if you're out there looking forward to set up, I will advise you to try to look out for experts, people who have the knowledge. Okay, at least try to know one or two stuff about what you intend to do. Try to know few things. I mean, try to get some knowledge about what you want to do. At least you should know one or two stuff. This will help you to know what you are getting yourself into. Yeah, so in terms of buying coil machines and RO systems, original coil machines, you can reach out to me and we will do due diligence. Yes. And also one advice I would like to give to workers people who are working in various sachet water factory and the owners are not around, you are in charge. Try to be honest, try to be loyal in all your dealings. Whatever you're doing, try to be honest, try to be loyal, and trust me, it's going to pay you. Yeah, this is going to pay you. It pays to be loyal in one way or the other. It pays to be loyal. It doesn't take anything from you. Try to be loyal. Okay, so if you're buying a sachet water, if you're buying the coil machine and the RO system, especially the RO system, you know, it comes in 3 phases and single phases. So if you have a factory that has a 3-phase and you're looking forward to work with a single phase, it's okay. But if you have a single phase power and you want to work with a 3-phase, it's going to stress you a little bit. So it is essential for you to know at least your factory phase, the power phase, and or your house power phase before you set up. And even that one alone is not guaranteed, because the machine you actually want to work with depends on the status of your TDS. Yes, depends on the pH and the TDS of your water source. If you know this, it will help you very well to know the kind of machines you can work with. You cannot just get up and say you want to buy a coil machine, an RO system, and just work. Then it means that you want to just do something rough for customers out there. Okay, but if you intend to do a quality business, if you intend to sell a very quality water, drinking water, then you need to consider all these things. Okay, so in case you want to buy a sachet water machine, our original coil machine and RO, you can reach out to me. In fact, I've shared most of my numbers in my comments. I've been replying most people with my on my comments. I've been sharing my contact. You can also reach out to me on my email, and then we will do a very clean work for you. So one thing I believe in is that putting customer satisfaction first, trying to make sure that your customer is satisfied and not putting the money first. Okay, making sure that a customer is satisfied with your services, with your product, is essential. Then automatically the money will come. Don't put money first. If you are an operator, right, put the work first. Okay, so I'm going to be bringing you more videos. I'm actually putting some pieces together to come share with you guys. It's It's been a while I shared a video here, and I'm so sorry for that. Stay tuned, don't go, because there is more coming. See you in another video. This is all I can say. There is more coming.